So today we're going to be using the brush grapple for actually what it's intended for, is brush, instead of just picking up logs. You can see it there, got opened up. Behind me here is a pile that I worked on only about 15 minutes yesterday, trying it out, and it worked pretty good. Got this row of blackberries here next to a swamp that we're going to be working on tearing out. I thought I was going to have to mow them out, but this brush grapple really does a pretty good job of ripping it out. So I'll give you a little walk around on it. So this is the landpride brush grapple that the Kubuta dealership sells, and I just got it included with my package. There's other models, well, other companies that do it. They're probably all about created equal, maybe some a little bit stronger. This one's made out of AR400 steel. This top here clamps down with some hydraulics on your third function. It does a pretty good job. You just kind of run it across the ground and push it into the blackberries, close it down, pull back, you got yourself a pile. This was several loads here, and I was actually able to drag out an old blowdown here. So yeah, we're going to work our way over this way. Actually got to be careful because there's an old piece of farm equipment in here someplace. I think it might actually be right in there, so we're going to pop over here and work at it. Don't want to get too deep though, because it's actually a swamp in there, and it's winter, so it's nice and soft. Anyway, I'll get the drone up in the air and we'll get some footage of this.